In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to give access to your Hostinger account, whether it's to an admin or a collaborator. This process can be incredibly useful when you need someone else to manage or assist with your account without sharing your personal login credentials. So let's get started. First, make sure you're logged into your Hostinger account. Once you're on the main page, you should see the H-Panel dashboard where all your hosting services are listed. It's important that you're on the home page, as this is where you'll begin the process of granting access. Next, locate the Account section on your dashboard. This is where you can manage all things related to your account settings and personal information. It might be tempting to dive into services or billing at first glance, but what we're looking for today is nestled right here. So go ahead and click on Account. Once you're in the Account section, look for the Account Sharing option. This feature is specifically designed for the purpose of letting other people access your Hostinger account. It keeps everything organized and secure while allowing different levels of permissions for new users. Click on Account Sharing, and you're halfway there. Now that you're looking at the account sharing page, it's time to grant access to the new users. Find and click the button labeled Grant Access. This might be tucked away as a small button on your screen. But once you click it, you'll open up the interface that lets you specify exactly who you're granting access to and what level of access they will receive. At this point, you'll need to enter the email address of the person you wish to add as either an admin or a collaborator. Be sure to double-check the email for accuracy. An incorrect email means the invite won't reach the intended recipient. After entering the email, you'll also choose which level of permissions you'd like this new user to have. Admin privileges generally mean they can access and modify more settings compared to a collaborator, who might have more restricted access. Carefully consider what level of control you want this person to have before continuing. Once you fill out the necessary information and verify everything is correct, click to send the invitation. The recipient will get an email prompting them to log in or create an account if they haven't already done so. And from there, they can start managing or collaborating on your account as specified by the permissions you set. And that's it. Granting access is a straightforward yet incredibly powerful tool that Hostinger provides, ensuring that you can collaborate safely and effectively. I hope you found this guide helpful as you manage and share access to your Hostinger account. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to drop them in the comments below.